For me, when I was growing up, I remember that when I had trouble learning something, or for me, reading and kind of having somebody lecture me and tell me things didn't always connect. So I remember when I had to memorize things or learn things, my mom would always make up a song or sing it to me. So that's what I do with my kids. I will find a song to go along with the lesson that we need to learn. I am constantly singing to them all day, and I have a terrible voice, but they're in kindergarten, so they don't care. But they sing back to me too. So when I ask them a question, I love when they sing the answer back to me, because they remember a song that I taught them or a little tune to go along with whatever we're learning. The best part of being a teacher is hearing them tell me that they love me, being so far away from them, and still being able to make a connection with them. So just being able to make a connection with my students, for me, is more important than whatever the actual lesson is. Because if they know that I love them and they know that I care for them and that I'm in their corner, that they're going to learn what I teach them. They're going to want to come to class. They're going to want to learn. They know that I'll listen to them, and that I'm here for them. So that, for me, is the very best part of being a teacher. Thank you.